What if I told you that there was a little piece of history right here in Trumbull, directly across the street from the NIA, and it was for sale? Some houses you walk into, and some houses you instantly fall in love with. I have a feeling that 219 Unity Road is going to be one of those houses. It's charming, private, full of character, and there's an in-ground pool waiting for you in the backyard. Yeah, Barry and Sue told me that these three trees they think are some of the oldest trees in the entire town of Trumbull. As a matter of fact, he said they're going to miss that tree the most. This house offers a lot of character and charm, just something that you don't find in many houses today. This porch is beautiful, the cedar floors. As a matter of fact, let me tell you a little bit about the NIA. The NIA is, 42 acres, and it's literally directly across the street. And there's a mile and a half of walking trails, there's a gazebo, and there's the Starkweather house on the corner, which is, available for those Nichols residents who join the NIA to rent. We also have ball fields directly across the street too that is also a part of the NIA. The NIA is a really beautiful, coveted landmark here in Nichols, the Nichols part of Trumbull. All right, so now that you fell in love with the outside, let me show you the inside. So here we're in the formal living room, beautiful crown moldings and, a nice wood burning fireplace with a gorgeous hand-carved wood mantle, arched doorways. I'm even noticing the watercolored hand painting of this house too. And they had to put that stone wall out in front. It's just really beautiful. Over here, we have a sun porch too. There's a separate door that goes out to the sun porch, walls of windows, and it has a separate split system air conditioner out here as well. Barry and Sue, the way they had this house set up was they were using this living room as a dining room, and they were using their dining room as a den. So the versatility is endless. I mean, you can do whatever you want with the rooms here and live this house however you need to live in it. Wow, what a beautiful dining room. I mean, crown molding, chair rail moldings, oak floors throughout. Sue has this Laura Ashley theme going on in here. The wallpaper is Laura Ashley. Very charming. Barry and Sue renovated this kitchen. And now we have, painted cabinetry, granite countertops, farmhouse sink, tiled backsplashes, oak floors, recessed lighting. And you're sitting here and I'm just overlooking the in-ground pool. But yeah, there's tremendous counter space in here, tremendous cabinet space in here. It's a great kitchen. Nice little foyer too going out to the back door. Oh, so up here on the second level, we've got 3 generously sized bedrooms. And again, the oak floors are throughout, full bathroom, and Barry was bragging about his bubble jet tub in there too. So before we go out to the pool, let me show you something behind the garage. It's Barry's office, but it could also be a pool house, it could be a changing room. So on a nice hot day like today, 16 by 32 foot in-ground pool, it's not bad. Hey, I hope you enjoyed coming on this tour of 219 Unity Road. If you have any other questions or you'd like a private showing, give me a call or shoot me a text. I can be reached at 203-209-2529 or email me at j@jcannone.com. Listen, thank you so much for coming on this tour and have a great rest of your day.